G'day guys, I'm Andrew. This is my 64 Beatle. A little bit different than what you'd expect. Fully electric. Something I did myself over a year. That's the beast engine. So it's actually, ironically, it's a liquid cooled system. That's the charger, that's the inverter, that's the actual motor itself. Running 37 lithium iron phosphate batteries. We've got 25 of them behind here. And we've got another 12 in the front that I can show you. Underneath here. Like that. So lithium iron phosphate. Net weight gain of the car is 180 kilos. Also other mods I've put in this is a narrowed beam, disc brakes as well. And for in the car parks, because it's so quiet, a bike belt. There you go guys. That's what
got some power, hasn't she?
So I'm running in third gear. I don't even use the clutch. I can run it in second gear for a little bit more pep. But I just selected the wrong gear. So range is about 140 kilometers if I'm brave, but usually we just use it to go get coffees locally because the car's lowered, narrowed beam. It doesn't reward you for driving fast, it rewards you for going low and slow.
So how long have you had this car for?
Had it about 3.5 years. I converted it in the first year that I owned it. So I bought this car so I wouldn't have to do a restoration job. And so I bought a reasonably good condition. It's got usual rust for a 56-year-old car. A couple of little problems, but looks good. Conversion took 12 months, and the coolest thing about it is the conversion is fully engineered, so it's fully road legal, registered as a Beatle. One of the coolest things was going to the motor registry to get it registered, because it was the first Beatle in Queensland to be registered as an electric. There's now another one at least, and they had to create a new variant for the car that didn't exist beforehand, as in a classic Beatle that's electric. So yeah, that was pretty awesome.
So what's it feel like to drive?
Easier than a normal Beatle because I'm having to do a lot less work with my feet. I barely have to brake because I've got regenerative braking happening here. Yeah, it's pretty cruisy. It's sort of a one-arm car. Hang the other arm out the window and enjoy it.
Yeah, nice.
So yeah, pride and joy.
Well, thanks for taking us for a drive.
Mate, pleasure.